This is a guide on claiming SkillsFuture credit. After you have registered for the course, please declare the SFC amount you are paying. This is a requirement by SSG, where training providers are to indicate in the invoice the SFC claim amount the trainee is paying. Once you have received the invoice from us, please check that your invoice correctly indicates the SkillsFuture credit amount you are claiming, as shown in the example. If your invoice does not show the SFC amount, please email to us at inquiry@tertiaryinfotech.com. If it is correct, you may save the PDF file and you are ready to claim SFC. Go to our website to search for the course that you have registered for. Scroll to the bottom of the gray box and copy the course code. Next, click on the SkillsFuture link and it will bring you to My SkillsFuture page. Click on the Login button and sign in with your SingPass. You can either scan the QR code or use password to log in. After you have logged in, click on eServices. Check and claim SkillsFuture credit. Click on the Proceed to Submit a Claim button. Paste the course code that you have copied previously. Click on Search and it will take a while to load. Make sure that the course name is correct and click the arrow to proceed. Next, select the date that you will be attending the course on. For the left box, enter the net course fee after GST that you are supposed to pay as stated in the invoice. On the right, enter the amount you are claiming for your SkillsFuture credit. For WSQ courses, claim amount is after the grant deduction stated on the invoice given. Next, you will need to attach the PDF file that you have downloaded. Select the invoice to upload a supporting document. After uploading the invoice, check on the Agree option, then click on the Submit button to submit your SkillsFuture credit. Agree and submit. Your claim is now pending for approval. Take a screenshot of your claim and send it to us. Thank you for watching. If you have any inquiries, email us at inquiry@tertiaryinfotech.com or give us a call at 610-00613.